Once there was a competition of archery was going on, and two people were competing in the championship. So one person is very hardworking, very good archer, and second one also. But there is a little problem with the second person. Uh, the little finger of one hand of that second person is not working. It's not there. So he is just fighting without this little finger. So both the people are very intelligent, very hardworking, and all the support, all the audience support was with that second person who has not this finger, because maybe it can be sympathetic support or moral support. So all the audience want that person to win. Championship day came, and these two people just fighted very nicely, and at the end what happened, it was unexpected. That second person which not have this finger is lost. So time flows, and after some time, after approximately 10 years, again the same competition happened, and again two people just going to fight. And what is the extraordinary thing in this championship is, again there is a second person who has not this finger. This little finger is not there with him, and he again, this fight was very interesting. These two people are worked very hard, but this time what happened, that was again unexpected. That person won, which don't have this little finger. So people and reporters came to that person and they asked the question, what inspired you? How you got this championship? Because you don't have this finger, and other one is, other your competitor was very perfect in his body, and he was also worked very hard, he is very intelligent. So he replied that yes, I know I don't have this finger, but when I was little smaller, little younger, 10 years back, I saw someone who don't have this finger, but he lost. And that thing inspired me a lot, so that I just wanted to win that championship at any cost. My dear friends, a lot of time it happens with all of us that we work on something very hard, but we are not able to achieve the success, or we are not able to hit that target, because efforts are in our hands, not the results. So effort matters a lot, you do a lot of effort, but sometimes results don't come in our favor. Then remember one point, maybe you will not able to achieve your goals, then you can inspire someone. Your actions, your words can inspire someone to reach their goals, who are dreaming about do something what you have done. So at that point of time, just don't live for yourself, live for others, so that your actions can inspire others to do more, to dream more, and to become more. If you are living for other, then you are living truly your life, because each and everyone just lives for you, for himself or herself. This is Puneet Sharma signing out, until we meet again.